Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Benuo Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. It's an electronic pest control mosquito repellent plug-in with night light for anti-bugs, roaches, mice, insects, ants, spiders, fleas, rats, and so many more. High efficient drive away pests, adopting the advanced ultrasonic technology waves to better disturb and irritate the nervous system of pests and so many other pets. The pests will get away from your home and you do not have to kill them. This is awesome. 100% safe and eco-friendly for kids, pregnant, pets, non-toxic, no traps, tradition and chemicals. And that is nice, really. Compares with the pest traps and insecticide, this ultrasonic pest repeller won't cause death of insect or populations of air and harm to your house from poisonous death. Nice. And there it is. It's open and there is an instruction manual for some informations. Wide indoor coverage. Each ultrasonic pest repeller covers up to 1,200 square feet until 2,400 square feet. This is huge, really. Total coverage of 2 units to seamless protect your home, furniture, pets, and family year rounds. Ooh, this sounds great. Ultra quiet. This is right. I tried them and it's nothing to hear. And produce. No noise design. Make sure there is not any effect on your kids sleeping. And I plugged it in and my baby was sleeping very well. It's suitable to install at 3 until 31 inches away from the floor of your home, office, warehouse, hospital, hotel rooms, etc. Restaurant, all the things makeable. If you placed it, maybe after 1 week you will change the location. It's better to make a new sound for all of the pest. It's reliable. I will try this, and I think it's nice because it has so nice blue LED on the front that makes a nice night light. And it's so cute. It's small and it's used only a power plug, and it's easy to insert and let that device stay there, and it will make his work done immediately. Nice and easy. Let's have a look how we are assembling it. This device needs power, so let's switch it and plug it in, and then the LED will have a night light and an ultrasonic speaker on the front, and it makes so inaudible to human and pets sound. It offers you a quiet environment for your sleep and of course walking. You can use this in the living room, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the bathroom, as you like. And it has so wide coverage area, so you need only for one house. Each floor will need only one device because it is a dual chip and high frequency inside. It works generate 50 kilohertz until 6 kilohertz ultrasonic frequency, disturb the nervous system of pests and drive them away. You do not have to kill them anymore. Nice. I like it, really. I like it, and I will going to use it. Because I bought it, of course. I'm just kidding. I bought it really. And it was cheap. It's not so expensive. So let's try this and keep the pest away with this awesome, easy to use product. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.